Hi there, welcome to GrainTV. It's Monday, May 16th. It was a very quiet day in the grains with ranges that were fairly limited compared to where we've seen trading activity. Let's take a look at GrainHedge trading platform and see where we closed. In Chicago, corn managed to gain 2 3/4 cents, beans off 2 3/4, and wheat down 1.5 cents today. News today was pretty light. There was some news out of Informa. They did a survey of U.S. farmers, and they came up with slightly different figures than what USDA had on March 31st, and overall they look for a slight drop in corn acres from 93.6 is what USDA projected March 31st, and Informa came out with 93.4. Meanwhile, for beans, they show a slight increase in acres, going to 83 million versus 82.2. Now, that's only an 800,000 acre increase, and some people are bantering around increases in soybean acres that are 1 to 2 million acres. So if Informa is indeed right, then that's not nearly as high as what some people are at least projecting for soybean acres in the June 30th report. Other news out today, NOPA crush numbers. These were not very bullish for beans. The crush number came in slightly less than expected at 147.6 million bushel crushed in April versus 147.7. But I think what was really troubling was the high level of soybean oil stocks coming in at 1.94 billion pounds versus 1.86, and so overall there is little here for the bulls to really get excited about. And I think in particular this is the problem the soybean market is running into right now. We've had this bullish jump, certainly going back to March 1st. We've had a long-standing bull run here, and it really catapulted higher last Tuesday on USDA surprising slash to ending stocks from 400 million bushels expected to 300 million bushels from new crop. And so we got that initial reaction, and we are now find ourselves at levels that are very high. And so, you got to wonder what is the news that's going to drive the soybean market higher, if there is going to be any. Other news after the market closed, we had the crop condition report or crop progress report from USDA. These numbers too were not terribly surprising from what analysts expected. Planting pace was a little slower, but not horribly so. Corn was at 75% planted as of Sunday versus 76% expected. And likewise, beans came in a little bit lower than expected. We'd expected 38% to be planted by now, and we're only at 36%. And crop condition for the winter wheat crop is standing right on par with where it was last week at 62% good to excellent. So let's take a look at this soybean market, and in particular we're looking at July beans here on a 1 hour chart. And what you'll notice right here in the middle, that was last Tuesday's big report day. We had a 53-cent increase that day, and where we find ourselves is kind of drifting lower. And today in particular I think was pivotal because we got down to that 1056 mark. Now we managed to close above it, rallying off of the 1056, but that 1056 mark dates all the way back to the previous high that we had on this rally. And so that's going to be an important number to watch. Is July beans going to be able to hold 1056? If it doesn't hold it, then that could spell some problems as we punch down into lower levels from where we were as of the USDA report. That's all we got for today on GrainTV. As always, visit us online at grainhedge.com to learn how we can help you in your own grain marketing situation. As a GrainHedge trading client, you'll get our technical alerts email first thing every trading day. Technical Alerts is a powerful system that generates quality trading opportunities. Each trading opportunity shows a chart and analysis providing clear price targets and risk potential. Technical Alerts look at historical chart formations and compare the current environment to the past to form concrete trading recommendations. The commodities covered by Technical Alerts includes grains, livestock, crude oil, currencies, bonds, and metals. Start your trading day with the most powerful insight into market direction and improve your trading today. Sign up at grainhedge.com to become a client.